Let's see the question number 48. A mixture of 2.3 gram formic acid and 4.5 gram of oxalic acid is treated with concentration of H2SO4. The evolved gaseous mixture is passed through KOH pellets. Weight in gram of the remaining product at STP will be 1.4, 2.8, 3.0 or 4.4. Okay, let's see in this equation. HCOOH is dehydrating agent with H2SO4 becomes CO plus H2O. When water is absorbed by sulfuric acid, then the moles will be 2.3 by 46, that will be equal to 1 by 20. Then moles of F will be 0 and H2C2O4 is again with H2SO4 becomes CO2 plus H2O. Water is absorbed by sulfuric acid, then the moles of I will be 1 by 20 and moles of F will be 0. So CO2 is absorbed by KOH. So the remaining part of the product is only CO2. Moles of CO formed from both reactions will be, we will add both the moles, that is 1 by 20 plus 1 by 20 will be 1 by 10. So let mass of CO will be equal to moles of X molar mass. We have assumed that. So 1 by 10 into 28 will be 2.8. So the answer is 2.8 according to us. Let's see in the next slide what is the correct answer. Yes, the answer is option number 2, that is 2.8.